US President Donald Trump and Indonesian President Prabowo Subianto don reach new tariff deal wey go reduce tariff from 32% to 19% for Indonesian goods. America don deport 5 people wey dem call criminal illegal aliens go Eswatini for Southern Africa. Dat na small for today tori. Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen forward, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist proper. No forget to like and subscribe make you no miss all the hot gist wey dey happen forward. President Donald Trump don tok say Attorney General Pam Bondi fit release any credible info wey she get about Jeffrey Epstein matter. Dis one dey come as some of Trump supporters dey vex say Bondi department tok say dem no see any evidence say Epstein get client list. Trump still tok say e no know why people still dey obsessed with the matter. E call am sordid but boring and blame fake news and bad people wey wan keep the story alive. As dem ask am if Bondi tell am whether im name dey inside any record, Trump say no. Epstein na sex offender wey die for New York prison for 2019 as e dey wait trial for sex trafficking. The FBI and Department of Justice tok say dem no find any blackmail evidence or big man list, and the video wey dem release support the story say na suicide kill am. Still, many people for Trump MAGA movement believe say dem dey hide correct details to protect big people or intelligence agencies. US President Donald Trump and Indonesia President Prabowo Subianto don reach new tariff deal wey go reduce tariff from 32% to 19% for Indonesian goods. Trump tok say na the deal wey go give American companies full access for Indonesia. Prabowo tok say the agreement na new era of mutual benefits, even though e call Trump tough negotiator. The deal come after Trump threatened to increase tariff for many countries from 1st August. Indonesia sef get letter last week wey tok say dem go pay 32% tariff, wey surprise dem because dem think say agreement dey near. Trump say the agreement make Indonesia reduce tariff for US goods like agricultural and manufactured products. E also tok say Indonesia go buy $15 billion US energy, $4.5 billion agricultural products and 50 Boeing jets. Prabowo confirm say dem need planes and other things like fuel, gas, wheat, soybeans, but say the main thing be say dem protect Indonesian workers. America don deport 5 people wey dem call criminal illegal aliens go Eswatini for Southern Africa. According to US Homeland Security Assistant Secretary Tricia McLaughlin, the 5 deportees come from Vietnam, Jamaica, Laos, Cuba, and Yemen. Dem don do crimes like child rape and murder. McLaughlin tok say the crimes bad sotey their home countries no gree carry dem back. She tok for social media say the flight wey carry dem land safely for Eswatini and dem no dey America again. Eswatini never tok anything about the deportees wey arrive. The deportation na part of President Donald Trump plan to send people wey dey illegally for America back, even to countries wey no be their own. US courts don allow deportation to other countries. Dem don indict one man for Minnesota, Vance Boiter, 57, on 6 federal charges after dem say e kill lawmaker Melissa Hotman and her husband Mark Hotman for June. The charges include stalking and murder, fit carry life sentence or death penalty. Dem arrest Boiter on 16 June after 2 days of chase. E still dey for prison for Minnesota dey face state charges. E never enter play. Prosecutors tok say Boiter stalk and shoot 2 other lawmakers, Senator John Hoffman and im wife Yvette, for another attack. Dem say e get plan for bigger attack but police stop am. Acting US Attorney Joseph H. Thompson tok say Boiter plan and do night of terror wey shake Minnesota well. Dem also release letters wey dem say Boiter write admit say na im be the gunman, but e lie say Governor Tim Walz tell am to kill US Senators Amy Klobuchar and Tina Smith. Both Walz and prosecutors say the claim na lie. Court paper tok say Boiter researched the victims well before attack on June 14. US Ambassador to Israel Mike Huckabee don tell Israeli authorities make dem do serious investigation into the killings of Palestinian American Saifullah Musalat, wey dem dey call Saif. The 20-year-old wey get US and Palestinian citizenship from Florida, dem beat and die for Shinjil town for West Bank on Friday evening, according to Palestinian Health Ministry. At first, the US government no too talk about the matter, but Huckabee called the killing criminal and terrorist act on Tuesday, say there must be accountability. Israeli military say dem dey investigate. Tok say the wahala start after terrorists throw stone give Israeli civilians. Saif bin dey visit family for Sinji when he die with im friend Mohammed Al-Shalabi, wey dem say dem shoot for chest. Al-Shalabi na 23 years old. Saif family tok say e bin dey try protect their land from settlers wey wan take am. Dem also accuse Israeli settlers say dem block ambulance wey for carry Saif go hospital. The family dey call US State Department make dem also investigate the killing and warn people wey die along UN and other aid convoy routes. Bradley Murdoch, the Australian man wey kill British backpacker Peter Falconer for 2001, don die from throat cancer. The 67-year-old bin dey serve life sen ten ce for prison for Alice Springs, Northern Territory. He no ever talk where he bury Falconer body. Falconer parents, Joan and Luciano, talk say dem dey relieved say the killer don die, but dem still dey hope say dem go find their pikin body one day. Police sef talk say e pain dem say Murdoch die without say e ever talk where he hide the body. Murdoch die for hospital palliative care unit on 15 July, just the day after the 24th anniversary of the murder. Coroner go check the death. The case na one of Australia's biggest murder stories. Falconer, wey be 28, bin dey travel with im girlfriend Joan Liz for Australia when Murdoch stop dem near Barrow Creek. He shoot Falconer and try kidnap Liz, but she escape go hide for bush before help come. The investigation big well, with over 600 suspects for one time. For 2005, court jail Murdoch for murder and attempted kidnap after dem see Joan hair elastic for im gun holster. Even though dem get DNA evidence, Murdoch always talk say e no do am, but e lose appeal 2 times because of no parole law wey dey pass for Northern Territory for 2016. E for no ever get parole if e no talk where the body dey. Falconer family say Murdoch death bring dem small relief, but e still pain dem say the chance to know wetin happen to Peter don waka. Dem say dem go focus on the rest of their family now. Emma Watson, wey act Hermione Granger for Harry Potter film, don chop 6 months driving ban after dem catch am dey speed. She drive 38 meters per hour for 30 meters per hour zone for Oxford on 31st July last year. Court here say she already get 9 points for her license before the new wahala. The 35-year-old, wey dey do masters for University of Oxford since 2023, no show for the hearing, but dem order am make she pay £1,044 fine. Another Harry Potter actress, Zoe Wanamaker, wey be 76, also collect same punishment for the same court. She speed 46 meters per hour for 40 meters per hour zone for Newbury on 7th August 2024. Wanamaker talk say she no dey ask for special treatment and accept the fine. Watson still dey famous for Harry Potter, Beauty and the Beast and Little Woman, and she get her own gin brand wey she launch with her brother. And the last one for today, Cuba Labour Minister Marta Elena Fito Cabrera don resign after she talk say Cuba no get beggars. She even claim say people wey dey pick from dustbin dey do am to make quick money and then be illegal recyclers. She dropped this statement for parliament and it caused serious wahala. Cubans both home and abroad vex, say she dey talk like person wey no understand wetin dey happen for ground. President Miguel Diaz-Canel sef knock her. He say leaders no suppose dey talk like say dem no dey feel people pain. Right now, Cuba dey face heavy wahala, food short, house wahala full ground, and people dey sleep for roadside and pick food from dirty. Medicine scarce, fuel short, and light no stable. After the backlash, Fito Cabrera resign and the Communist Party accept am. Cuban economist Pedro Munre even mock her online, say maybe na beggars dey disguise as ministers. Plenty Cuban activists call for her sack, say wetin she talk na insult to the people wey dey suffer. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.